Thanks, bro.
You're welcome.
Got it.
Right?
Yeah. Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Axel. Love the video on that too, dude. It's tight. Oh yeah, you can download it right to YouTube.
If you don't tell us we're shooting him off, it's got to be Caesars. That's coming from Caesars. Yeah.
Is it really? I know a lot of the station hotels are doing something too.
Yeah, they are too.
Yeah.
That one's coming from Caesars.
Okay, go Caesars. Who would have thought? Nice. This is doing something. Oh, you good, dude. Come on through, bro.
I'm gonna run and grab, give her a pretzel right back.
All right, bro.